We built a new house on top of a hill, but weeds grow on the hill in the summer and are ugly. We've used weed killers to keep the hill clear. What can we plant on this hill to help beautify the area? This is Shirley in Harper's Ferry, West Virginia. All right.
Yeah, and they got a little deer action
Yeah, I
going
saw a little
there,
deer in the picture. Yeah.
So she probably wants to go with some deer-resistant plants.
Probably.
I mean, there are several plants out there. I can think of some perennials that she can plant, like.
And before you think of those perennials,
yeah.
so we're talking about the zone, right?
Yes.
So the zone
yes.
for that area is what, 6B?
6B.
Right. So
Yeah.
keep that in mind. Okay.
You keep that in mind
Right.
because they can grow a perennial that we can't grow here,
Nice.
which is lady's mantle.
Oh, okay.
It's a fairly large perennial. So that way you won't need so many of them.
Oh,
You can
okay.
do an area of those.
Which will grow well on the hill.
Yeah,
'cause
we'll
it's-
go
okay.
around the hill.
Okay.
Artemisia, maybe even some
little-
autumn fern,
Oh, okay.
which
Think
would be
about
good.
that. Okay.
Allium, the catmint family, which also is spreading. That would be good. Yarrows, lavenders,
Oh, that's a good one.
spurge, the spurge family, euphorbia family of perennials. Helleborus, the Lenten rose. Then you'd have evergreen
Right.
leaves there, along with the autumn fern. Those would
Right.
be evergreen.
Okay.
So I mean, there are. I would
That's
look
good
for
choices.
disease-resistant deer-resistant
correct.
plants to plant on there. There are other shrubs and plants that you can plant, but I'm thinking she wants something low so that they can see over them. They don't want anything blocking their view. So I was going with something that will hold the soil and be low growing. So that's why I was thinking of perennials that would stay there all the time.
No, that's good. Yeah, I like those perennials. And so we're thinking it's probably sunny, right?
I'm hoping
Yeah,
so.
it's probably sunny location.
Or partly sunny.
Okay.
I mean, she's got grass growing, so.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah, this is true.
I mean, you can always put just sod down if you wanted to.
Yeah, we give her some plants. How about that? We get
Yeah,
some nice
plants.
perennial plants. I think those would be good. And how about this? Why don't you check your local extension office? And I'm sure they have
Yes.
a plant list,
They probably do.
right? For their area. So I would, check with them and see what they have and go with some of those plants that you
Yeah.
mentioned as well, because I'm sure that's probably on their plant list. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.